Absolutely. Busy day in Edinburgh City. So many people about because Christmas is approaching and everyone's having a good time and you've got that Christmas feeling. We've got a mini London Eye there, but obviously we're not in London, we are in sunny Edinburgh. And we've got a mini fair going on there. People having a good time. The moon's out. Good vibes. And in the background there you have, if I move across, Edinburgh Castle. Enjoy the scene. Remember to like and subscribe to the Toad Trekker. Share the link if I'm giving you good content. Please. That's how my channel grows. A lot of energy going on in Edinburgh today, as you can see. We have a market going on here with a little fair going on here that obviously is attracting a lot of people. Kids are having fun coming down the slide there. It's the old traditional sort of a slide you usually see in like the 1930s, but you know, it's been designed for the modern era in 2021. What am I saying? I think I've had a little bit too much to drink. 2021, what am I talking about? In 2022. So this is the first time I've been to Edinburgh, and I've always meant to check out Scotland. Edinburgh came up and I thought, yeah, let's check it out. And I'm very impressed with it. And it's a good city. It's a good city. Full of fun and culture. And obviously very, very touristy. What life is all about, having a laugh, having a few screams, getting scared a bit. That's when you know you're alive. Well, again, remember to like and subscribe to my channel, The Toad Trekker. That would be much appreciated. New channel, all about travelling, trading the financial market and overcoming fear of flying. So, if any of those subjects resonate with any of you, please share this link. I'll go have a look in